Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the background color on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to change the background color on the Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. So what is background color? It's a, you can see the blue color, it's a background color. So it's actually, you can just click on the palette icon palette. You can see the top, this icon, just click on this. This is called tool palette, and here you have this option called background. Click on this. Now here you can find a different color of pattern. You can just choose with dark to light. So you can just go with yellow, or if you just need a color wheel, you can just choose the color wheel. You can just pick which color you just needed. It's simple to customize the color and simple to work with too. So you can see I just go with the red option. So this red or this red or purple color, this purple or this purple. You can just select the purple color or whatever color. If you just need a black or white shade or gray color, you can just choose that too. So you can just pick the color you just needed. Then you just need to click on the tick symbol on the top, and your background color, click on the save option. Your background color has been set. This is how you just change the background color on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.